Hi friends, welcome to Weekends. Today we are making a Easter egg. You will need a chicken egg. Shake it well. Draw a circle on top of the egg and surround it with some tape. You'll need a bowl and a knife. Hit the knife on the eggshell to make a hole. After you have made a hole, shake the egg to take the inside stuff out. You can take some help of the straw or a toothpick. Don't throw this off, you can make a nice omelette out of it. Wash the eggshell with some warm water mixed with some liquid soap. Now carefully remove the sellotape off the eggshell. Place it on the door to make it stand upright. Now for the wax, take some white candle and cut it into pieces. Avoid to cut the thread off because you'll need it later. Cut the chunks into more smaller pieces. Keep it in a bowl. Take some old crayons. I'm gonna choose the color sky blue. Cut the thread into half because you won't need such a long length. The main things are eggshell, thread, some colors and some wax from the white candle. Now heat up an aluminium bowl and pour the wax into it and even the crayons. Take a help of the adult. Stir it well. After it's completely in a liquid form, you can pour it into the eggshell. Oops! It's all falling down. It's not the right way. So I'm gonna use a funnel. It won't spill over and it's very easy. Now you can place the thread. Now you can take off the shell after 45 minutes to 1 hour freezing. Now your Easter egg is ready. You can cut it to give it a perfect egg shape. Now your Easter egg is ready. You can gift this as gifts to others on Easter. You can use this egg even as a candle like this. That means even for decorations. Friends, like the video and share it to your other friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get early notification.